Hello, this is Jessica. I'm a teen services librarian with the Durham County Library. Today I'm going to show you how to make a pom-pom. To get started, you will need yarn, small, sharp scissors, waxed thread, and a pom-pom maker. When you open your pom-pom maker, it will look like this. To start, begin wrapping the yarn at the base of the half circle. Do not wrap it like this. Wrap your yarn as evenly as you can until it looks like this. Then pull the yarn over to the other end of the pom-pom maker and wrap it around the other half circle. When you're done, it will look like this. Carefully use your scissors to cut the yarn down the middle, using the groove as a guide. Do both sides. Next, take your thread and pull it down between the two halves of the pom-pom maker. Tie it as tightly as you can. Open the pom-pom maker and pull it apart to release the pom-pom, and then use the scissors to trim it. Ta-da!